Nobody knows it, but you've got a secret smile, and you use it only for me. Nobody knows it, but you've got a secret smile, and you use it only for me. So use it and prove it. Remove this whirling sadness. I'm losing and bluesing, but you can save me from madness.
Hi, I'm going to give you a little bit of information about dental implants today. We have a lot of patients who come in who are complaining of missing teeth and want a permanent replacement for these gaps. There are many different options to replace teeth, but dental implants are becoming a more popular solution. Basically, it's a titanium screw that is surgically positioned into your bone underneath your gum. The implant acts as your tooth root, and once the implant has been placed, it is left to heal then until it's secure and stable in your bone. The next stage would be to restore the implant with either a crown, a bridge or a denture, and the treatment takes approximately 6 months to complete. However, your dentist will discuss any time frames with you at your consultation. Implants provide a stable support for artificial teeth. They are fused to your jawbone, so they're strong and secure. Dentures, crowns and bridges are mounted on the top of the implant, which means that they won't slip or shift in your mouth. And this gives you a much more natural feel and reassurance that nothing will alter when you're speaking and eating. An advantage to implants is that no other teeth need to be ground down or touched to allow an implant to be placed. They're perfectly safe and been around for many years. Wow, you do need to have healthy gums and adequate bone to support the implant. In some cases, a bone graft can be done. Your dentist will examine you and discuss any requirements with you. A CT scan is normally needed too, and this will help your dentist plan your treatment. Dental implants can last many years, as long as you commit to good oral hygiene routine at home and you regularly visit your dentist and hygienist. This is crucial for long-term success. In many situations, dental implants are only a little bit more expensive than conventional treatments, such as crown and bridges. But over a long term, implants are usually more cost effective. All cases can be different, so I would recommend a consultation to see how we can help you, and you'll be amazed at the end results. False teeth that look and feel like your own natural teeth.
Nobody knows it, but you've got a secret smile, and you use it only for me. Nobody knows it, but you've got a secret smile.
I'm going to introduce you today somebody who's had first-hand experience of dental implants. Faye here, you might recognise. She's a member of our team. She's had implants herself. How many implants have you had, Faye?
I've got 2 implants.
And how long have you had them for?
20 years.
20 years. They've lasted you well. And have you had any problems or
No
anything?
problems at all.
Have you found having your implants?
Really easy. They're easy to clean, easy to eat with. They look really natural.
Yeah, act and feel like a natural tooth.
Definitely.
So you kind of forget you've got an implant.
Definitely.
And how was your experience in having your implant placed?
Really easy. Again, you were here an hour and a half. No problems. You're numb, like you're having a filling. All the team's really easy. They know what they're doing. There's not a problem. You have no after effects really. Fine, absolutely fine.
So
highly recommend it to have.
So you'd recommend implants then as
Definitely.
an option for placing gaps?
Yes.
Yes, great. So shall we have a look where Faye's implants are? So Faye, if you give us a nice big smile, then she's going to lift her cheek up there. So Faye has got 2 implant fixtures in the second tooth here and the third tooth here, but as you can see, they look really natural.
So if you'd like to speak to me about my personal experience,
or would just like some more information, don't hesitate to give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.
Nobody knows it. Nobody knows it.